Welcome back to another episode of the Tip Share. This week, the Colorado Retailer Retention of Sales Tax and your restaurant. You might be asking, what is the Colorado Retailer Retention of Sales Tax? Colorado Retailer Retention of Sales Tax Bill HB 22-1406 applies to Colorado sales tax collected in July, August, and September of 2022. This bill allows a temporary deduction from state net taxable sales for restaurants, bars, and other eating places such as food trucks or catering services in the state of Colorado. The temporary deduction from state taxable sales for qualifying retailers is equal to the lesser of state net taxable sales, or $70,000 each month. What are the details of the Colorado Retailer Retention of Sales Tax? Retailers will be able to keep the state sales tax collected up to $70,000 of sales. If your sales for July, August, or September are $70,000 or less, you will be able to retain 100% of the state sales tax collected for those 3 months. Don't forget that the business collects state and local sales tax. Colorado's state sales tax rate is 2.9%. On $70,000 of restaurant sales each month, the sales tax collected equates to $2,030. The restaurant would be able to retain this amount for each month for a grand total of $6,090 if the business had at least $70,000 in sales each month. Applicable resources can be found at leg.colorado.gov/bills/HB 22-1406. So how exactly does the Colorado Retailer Retention of Sales Tax work? Colorado's state and local sales taxes should continue to be debited from your bank account throughout the month according to your existing schedule. When the sales tax return is completed the following month and the amount of sales tax due is calculated, ask your accountant about a refund for sales tax you can retain to be credited back to your bank account. The amount refunded should be coded to your state COVID grant GL. This amount is taxable income to the business. If you do not already have a state COVID grant GL, let your accountant know and request the GL to be created. How can restaurant technology assist with the Colorado Retailer Retention of Sales Tax? When you work with a team of restaurant industry experts, like the RASI compliance team, we will ensure that the credit will automatically be taken for all restaurants to ensure our clients take advantage of this opportunity. Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's episode of the Tip Share, and as always, we'll see you next week.